Hello, my dear friends, viewers, and our lovely subscribers. This is your host Asad Shah. A delight welcome to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day and with a smile on your face. My dear friends, this is our YouTube channel Fashion Addiction, and we are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day. At our channel, we are here to help you navigate this overwhelming world of stuff. And friends and viewers, we are here to tell you about the latest and the gorgeous designs of stripped pants with pockets designs for working women. These pants designs and colors are very pretty and beautiful as well, and friends, definitely you will like them all. These pants designs are picked very carefully with the vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And if you don't press the bell icon, you will miss my further videos. And I don't want that you will miss any update from my channel. And don't forget to comment your suggestion in comment section and give suggestion which video should do next. This makes me happy and motivates me to make more wonderful videos for you. So friends and my lovely viewers, this channel is uniquely and especially designed for fashion addicts all over the world. And this channel will provide all the new updates and fashion items brilliantly selected by the top designers of your countries. So friends and viewers, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of stripped pants for women, and these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now please show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for our more updates. Friends, to see all your favorite designs, watch the video till the end. We have including everything from a short wedding dress to this fairy tale worthy princess ball gowns. These beautiful styles are bound to give ideas for your own outfit, no matter your celebration's theme. Friends, discover the latest dresses designs on our channel and make your day more beautiful. My dear friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel Fashion Addiction. Love you all guys.